Hello good people, thank you all for stopping by. Please support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel on the Edo Talk Show and follow us on our Facebook page on the Edo Talk Show, thank you. Stop certificate forgery suit against me by APC, Obaseki tells court. A federal high court in Abuja has fixed December 15, 2020 for ruling in a motion filed by Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State seeking to stop further hearing in the certificate forgery suit brought against him by the All Progressives Congress, APC. The trial judge, Justice Ahmed Mohammed, fixed a date on Thursday 10 December 2020 after taking arguments from lawyers representing APC, Chief Akin Olujimi, SAN, and the governor's counsel, Mozia, SAN. Governor Obaseki had applied to the court to adjourn indefinitely further proceedings in the certificate forgery suit against him on the grounds that he had filed an appeal at the Abuja Division of the Court of Appeal, challenging the refusal of Justice Mohammed to expunge some paragraphs in the APC's reply to his affidavit. While moving a motion for stay of further proceedings, Mozia told the court that the records of proceedings have been transmitted to the Court of Appeal and that the notice of appeal has been entered at the appellate court. With appeal number CAABJ-CV1072-2020. The SAN argued that since the decision of the High Court refused to remove some paragraphs in APC's reply is being challenged, it is a law for the lower court to hands off from the matter pending the outcome of the appellate court's decision. Mozia, who cited several authorities in support of his argument, insisted that the High Court must await the decision of the Court of Appeal before anything could be done in the matter. However, Olujimi urged the court to dismiss the motion for the indefinite adjournment of the certificate forgery suit on the grounds that it was a pre-election matter and was bound by time. Olujimi contended that since the case had a lifespan of 180 days, which would terminate by January 9, 2021, it was in the interest of justice for the court to continue with proceedings. Notwithstanding the documents produced by Obaseki in support of his request for signed adjournment, this court is still endowed with jurisdiction to proceed with hearing in this certificate forgery suit. This court is bound to continue with the hearing since the suit is sui generis, it's unique. Nothing shall be done to clog the smooth wheel of proceedings in a suit of this nature, especially in line with Fourth Alteration Act, he said. Responding on points of law, Mozia argued that no provision of the Constitution, as amended, forbids the court from staying further proceedings upon becoming aware of an appeal at the Court of Appeal. According to Mozia, this is not an election tribunal, neither is it an election petition. The facts, in this case, are distinguishable from election petition matters. He urged the court to resist the temptation to continue with hearing in the matter so that it would not be accused of judicial incompetence. Earlier, Mozia tendered to the court a certified true copy of a letter which forwarded filed copies of the record of appeal. With an acknowledgement of receipt certified true copy of a motion on notice in CAABJ-CV1072-2020. Between Godwin Obaseki versus APC and three others. The APC, in the suit marked FHCBCS74-2020. Prayed the court for an order disqualifying Obaseki from contesting the September 19 governorship election in Edo State. On the grounds that he supplied false information on oath to Independent National Electoral Commission. An act said to be contrary to Section 31(5) and 6 of the Electoral Act, 2010. The party accused the governor of forging his university certificate presented to Independent National Electoral Commission in aid of his qualification for the governorship election in Edo State. APC also claimed that there are discrepancies in the subject Obaseki claimed he passed in his West African Examinations Council exam. Obaseki won the September 19, 2020 governorship election in Edo State to secure a second term in office.